Owning a car is a big responsibility, and your engine is its heart. But did you know certain bad habits can destroy your engine over time? Today, we're sharing 5 habits that you need to stop immediately to save your engine and your wallet. No one. Ignoring regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and skipping regular oil changes is like running a marathon without water. Old oil gets dirty and loses its ability to lubricate, leading to wear and tear on vital engine components. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended schedule for oil changes. Number 2. Revving a cold engine. Revving your engine right after starting your car can cause serious damage. When the engine is cold, the oil hasn't fully circulated. Revving puts unnecessary stress on the components, increasing the risk of wear. Always let your car warm up for a minute or two before driving. 3. Skipping air filter replacements. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, making it work harder and burn more fuel. Over time, this can cause engine damage. Check and replace your air filter regularly to keep your engine breathing easy. 4. Running on low fuel. Driving with a nearly empty fuel tank isn't just inconvenient, it's harmful to your engine. Sediments at the bottom of the tank can get sucked into the fuel system, clogging injectors and damaging the engine. Always keep your tank at least a quarter full. Number 5. Ignoring warning lights. Those warning lights on your dashboard are there for a reason. Ignoring them can turn minor issues into major problems. If you see a check engine light or oil pressure warning, address it immediately before the damage gets worse. By avoiding these 5 habits, you can keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Have any other car care tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care advice and tips.